whole way, and then we'll start this halfway point, roll this, go back there, roll it back this way, start here and roll back that way.
Very cool.
That way your membrane's completely squared on the roof.
So hey everybody, this is Dustin, Terry, and Dave, your RV specialist. And Terry didn't know I was videotaping him. So anyways, he was just explaining what he was doing. So off the cuff, but the guys basically what they're doing is, like he was just talking about, they were taking the time to glue a specific spot on the roof that had some plumbing vents and some wires and whatnot. And then they were using these rags here and obviously the squeegee, and they were rubbing out any of the bubbles or wrinkles, imperfections in it. So as you can see right there, they're pouring some glue down on the roof. We do this all by hand here. They go back and take a paint roller that's a actual special type that's like a lint-free version that's a 1/4 inch nap, and they're going back and they make sure, you can see, he spreads the glue all the way to the edge, basically just pasting this stuff on here. And so Terry and Dave are just applying it by hand. Sometimes they'll do it with a stick or a wand. And so they try to just get an even coverage on there. Terry poured a little bit too much on his area, so he's spreading it out a little bit more. And they can move it around where they need it. See, he just passed a big glob over it to Dave. And they go all the way around, making sure they got really good coverage on the roof.
And then burgers, you gotta watch out for burgers.
Yeah. If there's any little small pieces, he calls them a booger, but any little small pieces or debris or anything like that, that's the time where they're actually stopping and taking it out. And then, you know, as I said, they're basically putting on an even coat on the roof. Then they'll go back and they'll roll that material back, and they'll go back and they'll take their rags and they'll you know, and the squeegee as well, and they'll go back and they'll smooth everything all out, making sure that it's stuck down nice and tight. This area back here is not finished yet, so as he was saying earlier, once they work themselves down here to the front, and then we've also injected the front cap underneath, so that will prevent anything from coming up underneath the wind or whatever. We'll put a molding on that as well and get that all sealed up. Then the guys will come down the ladder here that I'm standing on, and then they will move it and actually take that roof material and roll it back this way, and then continue on gluing the other end of that back. So we'll catch them here. So you can see how there's like bubbles in it right now where they're actually laying it down, and then you see how he's doing like a little tug on it. So again, this isn't production, so my guys take their time and they're no rush. You know, it's not something that they're trying to like beat the clock or something like that. So you can see how they're taking a rag and actually leaning on the rubber roof and rubbing it down in place. This is just like doing it with a roller, basically. And they're going to try to get out any wrinkles or any defects in it whatsoever. And then, of course, if they see something, if there's some little spot, in the roof, this is where they can come back and they can stop, and they can roll that roof material back up, pick out whatever's in there, so that we try to have almost as clean as possible roof. This roof's actually easier to do because it's plywood instead of OSB, so the OSB does show a lot more imperfections. And so as you've seen, he just used that squeegee to squeegee that area, and you can see how nice and smooth that area looked. So anyways, if you've damaged a roof, or if you're looking to have a roof replaced, maybe it's on an older unit, give us a shout. We're here, California RV Specialist in Lodi, California. You can check us out on our website. We've got tons of videos on roof replacements and installs, all kinds of water damage ones that we do. This one was again done by bird damage. So this owner came in for some other repairs, and we were doing what we call a free exterior eval, where we look over the unit. And when we were looking over the unit, we came up on the roof and noticed that, you know, right away it needed a roof reseal. But as we got up here to go ahead and start performing the roof reseal, we found a bunch of damage where where a bird had like pecked through the roof material, possibly, you know, eating something that he brought up here, and started to eat the actual sealant as well as underneath the AC gasket itself, you know, probably using it to make a nest or something with. So anyways, it's a good idea to check your roofs periodically. you know, even if they're in storage or if you got them in a shop or in a barn. We've had everything from mice damage to squirrel damage, other, you know, cats get up there and claw stuff on the top of the roof and all kinds of fun things. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and hope this video is educational enough and hopefully it helps show you what we're doing. Again, we're using Dicor glue and we're using Dicor TPO. So special shout out to those guys. This is our product of choice that we use here at California RV Specialist. And thanks you so much for watching, and have a great day.